Consequently, they are now proficient of hiring 3 more workers with the profit generated from the stall. We enlighten them the skills in managing process so they can give a great service to their customers. SIFE Uniten had created a business plan for the entrepreneurs in developing their production and helping them understand how business concepts work and how business ethics and how to conduct business ethics. They were not open to it as it was not familiar. So, we had conducted a small number of research and surveys interviewing people who have business experience and finding information in the internet so the couple can see for themselves why they need to open their minds to new ideas. We taught them on how to conduct SWOT analysis, and we also give them a standpoint of what other stalls were doing to get a better comprehension. The impact of the business plan was that the couple were able to increase the revenue by the first month. This is different from the previous selling method because back then they did not follow the market price. Now we have guided them to track on the market price by doing surveys. Moreover, the biggest challenge in breeding the fishes is the budget for feeding it. It consumes a lot of money. We need the feed to beef up the fishes. Hence, the only option that we have is again guiding them to track on the market price and not sending it lower. Although the entrepreneur already has a stall, the drawback is they sold the catch at a very low price because they are afraid if they increase the price, there will be no customers to buy the product. So, the key to resolve this is exposing them to operations and prices of other stalls to compare it with theirs. With calculated percentage difference, they can estimate cash flow with the new price increase. Honorable judges and ciphers, presently, they have better understanding of management process that help them determine there is no need for the middleman because they can sell the product through their stalls by themselves. More business acumen is that though the mussels have not much supply, but it is able to be sold at a good price. For the first month of guiding the entrepreneurs, the increase of profit from 70 ringgit to 600 ringgit was enough proof to move forward with the plan we created. Another insight is Encik Rahim and Puan Haslinda are able to see the direction of our plan and they followed it. Not only that, they have created job opportunities to the villagers like assisting them at the kennel, taking care of the stall, and supplying their breeds. In order to ensure their business lasts, we've discussed with them for further planning of their business by seeking assistance from LTIM to give them advice on latest fish breeding technology to improve more the quality of their breeds. Ladies and gentlemen, this project has given so much impact that it has increased business expertise for the couple in the long run, assisting them to be more business savvy. Their achievements in setting up the stall, adding more employees, and benefiting from their profits has certainly opened their eyes to maintain a very viable business.
Thank you, Juliana. On to our next project, Charity is Meeting. The project is a collaboration event between 3 of our previous target audience, Rakta, Prosta, and PKK, plus one new addition, Rumah Amal Darul Izzah. The project is an informative bazaar event held at Taman Dasar Titiwangsa, Kuala Lumpur. The objective of the event is to put the orphanages into practical mode to allow them to practice whatever they had learned before with us, to give them exposure to improve their communication skills with the public, to create integrity among themselves, and foremost, networking. During the event, the Rakta girls set up a stall which they sold fruits and doll. PAKK was responsible for the public learning contest, while Prosta conducted health games and health checks to the public. All homes made known to the public about themselves, and they were encouraged to build rapport as well. Initially, before the event, designated test ciphers went to the designated homes to facilitate and supervise the progress. In total, 10,500 project hours was contributed. However, during the event, the facilitators only monitored the flow and the progress of the event. It had impacted 9,800 people through media coverage of TV3. Various challenges faced were to smooth the collaboration between parties involved. The event provided them the avenue to develop themselves individually, improve communication, and confidence-wise, just to name a few. Ladies and gentlemen, at the end of the event, the Rakta girls managed to get 242 ringgit profit on their sale. By doing a pre and post test with the public at random, 87% of them now acknowledged orphanages. PAKK Study Contact was able to attract 85 children who visited the lake. Rusta was able to attract 246 people to the health games and health checks, while Rumah Amal Riza were able to make more friends and more extroverts. Other than exposures, the youngsters made new friends and they also achieved new skills such as brainstorming, critical thinking, time and team management. They also were able to sell themselves to the public and to conduct themselves ethically. The networking and experience gained will help to sustain this event for years to come. A unit of youngsters well executed.
Thank you, Shaduli. So now, join us in our journey to Kampung Kuantan. Kampung Kuantan is a mangrove area that's situated approximately 89 kilometers from the city of Kuala Lumpur. The place is renowned for its colony of the fireflies that have been major tourist attraction in our country. Ladies and gentlemen, introducing our project, Keep Them Glowing. Fireflies shine their light at the unison rate of 3 flashes per second. The habitat of the fireflies is the Berambang trees, a type of mangrove tree that grows along the river. With our intention to preserve the habitat of this creature, we also would like to commercialize this place. Realizing the economic opportunity the fireflies offers, SIFE Uniten played our part in educating the community on the advantages of ecotourism and ways to fully utilize the fireflies.
In order to gain the acceptance, our team organized a homestay and a family day program. Socializing with the villagers as well as encouraging participation gave us a better picture of their life, making our efforts more impactful. Later, we found a few more challenges along the way. Insufficient lighting, less of tourist traffic, lack of entrepreneurial activities, and most importantly, the reduction of fireflies colony. Thus, we had a 6-month training activities to enhance their social, economic, and environmental awareness. Ladies and gentlemen, skills training is an important part of any project. However, it cannot create economic opportunity on its own, as the value of skills training can only be measured if it can be applied. We also realized that in order to create this economic impact, we needed to give these villagers a place to apply the skills. And that's what we did. We worked together with our business advisory board and came up with a proposal, a business plan. And worked together with and submitted to the Municipal Council as well as our main sponsor TNB, and were graced with great response from them and with a promise of support and backing.
To overcome the lack of lighting, we are delighted to say that with assistance of TNB, SIFE Uniten had placed 20 new lampposts 25 meters apart at the area leading to the jetty. This resulted in a 3 hours extension in business hours. Then it was from 7 to 9 p.m. but now it is still 12 a.m. In addition to that, SIFE Uniten had partnered with Tourism Board of Malaysia. This action is in line with the government campaign that is Visit Malaysia Year 2007 and Zoom Malaysia 2008. For your information, Zoom Malaysia is domestic tourism campaign promoting new domestic holiday destinations to the tourists.
With the efforts done by SIFE Uniten in promoting the area, the results were a 67% increase in tourist traffic accounted by the Municipal Council, which is an average of 900 people per weekend and 300 people previously. From 300 people previously. The next complication was the lack of boats to support this increment. The Cadet Trading, a company owned by the boat operators, merely had 20 boats. They could not afford to buy their own boats as they cost 5,000 ringgit each. Thankfully, with the help of our sponsors, early this year, we were able to provide them 8 extra boats to be used by 28 operators. Another 5 boats will be contributed by the end of this year. So far, there are 10 people who have taken up this opportunity and more people have shown interest. Ladies and gentlemen, the improvements brought about a sense of accomplishment to the people of Kampung Kuantan and to us personally. They are now more encouraged and driven with the new implementation of business hours extension, the new ticket price from RM 5 ringgit to 10 ringgit, and the new total figure of 28 boats in the current year. We were able to increase their boatman's income by 6 times and with a profit of 40